see the aurora across the night sky. What is it? If you're looking, then it's kinda hard to miss it. Luminous phenomenon, we call it aurora. Lots of pretty colors, light and golden did it for ya. Painted from the earth, you can see it from upper atmosphere. As the colors come into vision, you know it's getting near. In the northern hemisphere, it's aurora borealis, and in the southern hemisphere, it's aurora australis. Satellites and stretch up and looking deeper in space and seeing how the stars back in Earth in its place. You can say that out of the universe, Earth to space, but that one star called the sun would always end up the ace. Okay, look into the stars that are for fathers with mapping. We can visualize how the aurora does happen, cause humans used to think that they were the center of space, yo. But they'll understand and learn the facts by Galileo. And when a ton of plasma is ejected from the sun, we call that a solar storm, and the first step here has begun. The particles group is one, it's scary what they become. We do not have a shield, the planet Earth will be done. Magnetic field, that's a shield, called the magnetic sphere, surrounding Earth and preventing storms from the atmosphere. The storm encounters the shield as an atom seen the mold. Looking to your right, you can see here as the process unfolds. The electrified gas in the storm will shoot toward the poles. In result, you will get aurora either way that it goes. Yeah, I'm putting science in the rap that you heard. And if you like the video, then go and spread what you learned. Please leave a like and subscribe for hip-hop with facts. And leave a comment for me, I can turn from science to rap. Yeah. Oh, hey. Thanks for tuning into our science rap show today. For a Did You Know fact, did you know that there was luminous phenomenon just like the aurora on other planets? Planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus display aurora activity at a large scale. If you'd like to know more fun facts like this, check out the links that I provided down below. Thank you so much for tuning into the Science Rap Show, and I hope to see you in the next video.